Humankind has always longed for perfect vision. Vision that creates images of clarity and crispness, both day and night. Our eyes determine how we perceive the world and its unfolding beauty. As quality of sight determines our quality of life, today's active lifestyles call for an even higher standard of visual freedom. Now scientists are taking human sight to the next level with a wavefront-optimized Allegretto wave. Since its approval by the FDA, LASIK laser vision correction has revolutionized the eye care industry. This popular, virtually painless 10-minute procedure is now providing over 1 million Americans each year their freedom from dependence on glasses or contact lenses. In the vast majority of cases, LASIK gives patients 20/20 vision without glasses or contacts. As impressive as these results were in the past, scientists and engineers continued their research in an effort to help take LASIK to the next level, a level of safety, precision, and accuracy that would keep LASIK at the forefront of the field of vision correction. A dramatic breakthrough in laser vision correction occurred with the FDA approval of wavefront guided technology. For the first time, refractive surgeons were able to measure the entire refractive error of the optical system of the eye and perform a customized laser treatment based on wavefront measurements. Eye surgeons soon began discussing the possibility of taking human sight beyond the traditional bounds of 20/20. Now, an entirely new laser platform has been approved for use in the United States. Built from the ground up with applied German engineering, this new generation of refractive laser technology represents the idea of original creation. Using knowledge and experience from many years of refractive surgery, the result is a laser platform that is not simply an adaptation of existing technology, but an entirely new excimer laser system, one that was right from the start. In LASIK, a thin protective flap of corneal tissue is gently folded back. The flap is adhered to the eye with a hinge. The laser then reshapes the inner tissue of the cornea. When the laser is finished, the flap is placed back onto the eye and adheres in seconds. LASIK was the patient-friendly surgery doctors and patients had been looking for. The nearly painless procedure took only a few minutes. Using the best of these state-of-the-art techniques, surgeons produced remarkable results, with the overwhelming majority of patients achieving 20/20. However, despite the great daylight vision results, some patients reported problems with night vision, contrast sensitivity, and glare following refractive surgery. The issues occurred especially with patients that had very large pupils. It became the scientific quest of the 1990s to find a solution for this issue and protect quality of vision. Instead of 20/20, the goal was to address visual acuity and quality of vision at the same time. The technology certainly had some limitations. The first generation excimer lasers were broad beam lasers. These lasers had the advantage to remove large amounts of tissue in a fairly short time, but were limited in regards to their ablation precision. In many cases, the functional optically corrected zone that was produced during the treatment was insufficient when the pupil opened up under low light conditions. Professor Theo Seiler from Switzerland is one of the leading pioneers in refractive surgery. In his clinic in Zurich, he continuously develops advanced, cutting-edge technologies. Professor Seiler was also one of the first physicians in the world to perform laser vision correction. Professor Seiler and his team realized that the technology had to change in order to address some of the existing issues. Scanning spot technology was therefore developed in the late 90s, and Seiler and his team introduced the wavelight laser in 1999. The wavelight Allegretto wave laser emitted 200 laser pulses per second, making it the fastest laser in its time. An average treatment on the wavelight suddenly took less than 10 seconds, about the same time it takes to pour your morning glass of juice. In July of 2006, Wavelight Allegretto IQ laser was approved by the FDA. It emits 400 laser pulses per second, making it twice as fast as the Allegretto Wave. Going at such high speed, other challenges came into play. That is why the Allegretto Wave IQ comes with a unique safety feature, perfect pulse technology. With the average laser treatment taking only seconds, one has to ensure safety at all times. That is why perfect pulse technology was developed to control every single laser pulse, from the moment it is created all the way until it meets the eye. The eye moves rapidly at all times, and the small spots that the scanning spot laser emitted needed to be placed into the desired location. A technology that followed eye movement and ensured accurate pulse placement became necessary. In pursuit of perfection, Seiler and his team developed active fast-track technology that was integrated into the Wavelight laser. This eye tracker had a response time of less than 6 milliseconds and was designed to follow the eye at all times. It uses 3 infrared light sources to determine the eye's position. Finally, technology had reached a level that allowed surgeons to take vision beyond 20/20. The idea of custom vision became a reality. Professor Seiler and his team developed a method to send a pattern of light rays into the eye and measure the image of that light pattern on the retina. Then they determined the distortions and were able to calculate a customized cornea shape that would compensate for the aberrations. Wavefront guided LASIK was born. Using the Wavelight laser, they had the speed and precision necessary to perform such a precise and detailed treatment. Seiler and his team succeeded with the first global wavefront guided treatment in 1999. Wavefront technology launched a new era in vision correction. Suddenly, physicians talked about possibilities to achieve vision beyond 20/20. It soon became clear that wavefront technology provided a better quality of vision, especially in regards to night vision and contrast sensitivity. While many view wavefront technology and custom laser treatments as overnight breakthroughs, we have seen that these medical marvels are the result of more than 3 decades of research by doctors and scientists around the world. And these visionaries were not done yet. Wavelight Laser Technology, the company that cooperated with Professor Seiler in the development of wavefront guided laser vision correction, has moved towards a new generation of technology. In October of 2003, the FDA approved the Wavefront Optimized Allegretto Wave System for use on American patients. As the first laser in the United States, the Allegretto Wave incorporates wavefront principles directly into the standard treatment, with the goal to preserve quality of vision right from the start. The Wavefront Optimized treatment was designed to protect visual quality and prevent the possible creation of new wavefront aberrations during treatment. During the initial research, it became clear that the eye's natural shape played a critical role in regards to treatment results. The human cornea is aspheric, so that light rays meet in one sharp focus point. If that natural shape is disturbed, it can result in a less aspheric cornea and reduced visual quality. When light meets the surface of the eye, it is only fully absorbed in the center. In the periphery, some of the light is reflected away. This can result in less correction in the outer edges of treatment and may cause what are known as spherical aberrations. These visual distortions don't influence so much how we see during the day, as they are situated in the periphery of the cornea. But under dim light conditions, when the pupil widens, they can impact visual quality. In order to prevent this, the Wavelight system places additional pulses into the periphery, which helps to maintain the natural cornea shape, while also addressing spherical aberrations. Every treatment is therefore customized to the patient's individual corneal curvature. With the goal to preserve visual quality, the treatment objective is to maintain vision that you can rely on, night and day. If you have waited for the right time and the right technology to have laser vision correction, your wait may be over. Call us today to make an appointment and find out if you are a candidate. Experience a new generation in refractive surgery with the wavefront optimized Allegretto Wave.